Rock solid prices of the E-Type Series 1, even they are coming down in value now, even with the history that it's got and the low mileage. And I will tell you the price at the end of this video, actually what it's actually going for on the market. You may well be surprised. In this Show Me Yours video, we learn about Sir John Whitmore, a former owner of this car, and some of the history surrounding it. And I get to fulfill a boyhood dream, driving this iconic car.
Like to park it in Sainsbury's.
Seller Gary is now going to tell us about the car.
A little bit about the car. It was registered in January of 1965. You that know, John Whitmore was a famous racer and raced for Team GB. And we believe he took this car to the race in Le Mans in 1966. 4.2 straight six petrol engines came out of the factory. Obviously this is one of those first ones. Produced from 1962 to 1971. We've got an extensive history on the car, which is lovely. And that was publicised in 2015 when it went through Silverstone auctions. And it didn't actually sell at Silverstone auctions because the top bid was refused. But as you probably know, values of E-types, like most classic cars, have come down over the last few years. So this really does represent great value for money now and a good investment. Although the interior of it is exactly as it was in 1965, it is an original. So lots of fantastic condition patina inside. But it was restored, or we say painted, during the 70s, we believe. We've got MOT history from 1986 onwards, which showed the mileage then at just over 6,000 miles. And of course it's only just done over 9,000 miles today, so it really has been restored nicely. And as you can see with the paintwork, it's got a fantastic lust to the quality of the paint. And it really is in superb condition. It's had power steering fitted, it's had uprated brakes, uprated suspension, so it's actually quite a nice drive, especially when you start driving around those lanes. Real trendsetter. Nothing in the marketplace was competitive like this. But like all of these things, it's a cherished car and it's a real find.
Yeah, and Rebecca was telling me earlier that the car's got a pet name.
Yes, this is Betsy.
So welcome to Betsy. 9,000 miles on the clock. Unbelievable. Can't wait to go around the lanes. I don't think we'll be doing 150 miles an hour today, but really looking forward to this. Gary contacted me via the Show Me Yours section of iconic brands. Contact details later in the video. I'd also like to point out I'm not affiliated in any way with this garage.
Oh, you can smell that petrol.
Driving this car for me is fulfilling a boyhood dream. The car you want isn't always the car you need. However, it's just something you just want to do.
Just so you notice, is got quite a high step over there. You have to get your foot right over there and get it in.
Into first, let's go.
First thing I notice is so great for me. I've never drove anything like this except for the MGB GT Mark 1 that I owned. But this is so much longer.
Now for a short driving review.
Wow, straight away that picks up. I never thought I'd ever drive an E-Type Jaguar in Birmingham when I was a lad, and it was like seeing a spaceship. You can't appreciate anything like this until you actually drive it.
It's a different experience.
It's a totally different experience, yeah.
Can you imagine driving this all the way to the south of France?
I think then it was something else, and I'd love to do it now, but really by modern standards, the MGB GT Mark 1 that I had in red which some of you who watch the channel will remember from some of the videos that I did. That was known as the Provenance E Type. Now I'm driving the real thing, folks. You can tell it's had a new clutch. You can feel that. It's certainly, you don't have to press it too far before you change gear. It's a 1960s phallic symbol. Austin Powers, I know where you're coming from, mate. I know where you're coming from. It's just a super long bonnet. I'd hate to park it in Sainsbury's, I really would. Thanks very much, Gary, for that. That was a real treat and an experience.
You're very welcome.
Thank you very much.
No problem at all.
Oh, that's fantastic. Well, that really was a treat. Thanks for watching Iconic Brands, the home of fun investments. For those of you who don't know what a Show Me Yours edition is, it's when subscribers to the channel offer me their own iconic brands. And Gary, he contacted me from Staverton Garage in Staverton in Northamptonshire to show me his very special iconic brand. The actual asking price for this car is £95,000. Now this tells me that prices really have dropped, because that was worth a hell of a lot more a short time ago. If you enjoyed that video, here's some other videos on iconic brands which you may well find interesting. Funny thing about doing this at the side of the road, the traffic is really slowing down coming past me. I think that comes some kind of speed trap or something.